Hello friends, welcome to Biology and Career.
Today's topic is csir-net December 2019 Life Science question paper. There have three parts in this question paper: part A, part B and part C. Today I will discuss the part B based on life science. There have total 50 questions in the part B. In this video lecture I will discuss question number 1 to question number 25. Total 25 questions I will discuss in this video. Question number 1. Phosphophenol pyruvate sugar phosphotransferase system or PTS transports a variety of sugars into bacteria. In E. coli, PTS consists of E1, E2, E2A, E2B and E2C and HPR. During this process, the sugar molecule is phosphorylated by direct transfer of phosphate group from options are E1P, E2AP, E2BP and HPRP. The right answer is option 3, E2BP. Question number 2. Centrolecithal eggs show. The options are: first, superficial cleavage, displaced radial cleavage, bilateral cleavage, discoidal cleavage. The answer is option 1, superficial cleavage. Question number 3. Which one of the following regulatory proteins can act as a positive and negative regulator on binding to the same DNA elements? Options are LAC repressor, LAC1, lambda repressor, C1, ARAC protein, ARAC, TRP repressor, TRPR. The right answer is option 2, lambda repressor. Question number 4. The sodium independent iodide or chloride transporter is named as megalin, pendrin, transthyretin or freezing. The right answer is option 2, pendrin. Question number 5. In a lake, reducing the population of a fish which feeds on plankton was followed by a decline in the rate of primary productivity. This is consistent with which one of the following hypotheses regarding the regulation of primary productivity? The options are bottle-up control, eutrophication, top-down control and trophic pyramid. The right answer is option 3, top-down control. Question number 6. Which one of the following plants has this combination of key plant traits? Sporophyte dominant in the life cycle, vascular tissue, lack of seeds. The options are mosses, ferns, cycads and monologues. The right answer is option 2, ferns. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not true in the process of acclimatization to high altitude? The options are respiratory alkalosis. Option 2, increased 2,3-DPG in RBC. Option 3, rise in pH of cerebrospinal fluid. Option 4, increased cytochrome oxidase in tissue. The right answer is Option 3. Rise in pH of cerebrospinal fluid. Question number 8. Two strains of mice which are genetically identical except for a single genetic locus or region are said to be. Options are syngenic, allogenic, congenic and heterogenic. The right answer is option 3, congenic. Question 9. Some statements regarding the process of autophagy are given below. Statements are: A. Autophagy occurs when cells contain aggregated proteins. Statement 2. Autophagosome fuse with any organelles. Statement C. Autophagosome is a single membrane structure. Statement 4. Autophagosome fuse with lysosomes to form autophagolysosome. So the question is, which one of the following combination of the above statements is correct? The options are A and B, B and C, C and D, and D and A. So the right answer is option 4, D and A. Question number 10. Which one of the following reactions takes place during the reduction phase of the Calvin-Benson cycle? The options are 1. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate to 3-phosphoglycerate. Option 2. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Option 3. Dihydroacetone phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Option 4. Ribulose 5-bisphosphate to ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So the right answer is option 2, 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Question number 11. In electron microscopy, to detect specific macromolecule or structure such as spindle pole body or SPB, the frequently used procedure is to couple secondary antibody with. The options are Alexa 568, CY5, gold particle or osmium tetroxide. The right answer is option 3, gold particle. Question number 12. The ratio of variance in male mating success Vm to variance in female mating success Vf is strongly male biased. Vm greater than Vf in species P, strongly female biased species Q, Vf greater than Vm and similar in species R, Vm equal to Vf, all else being equal. Which one of the following matches between species and mating system in most likely? The options are P monogamy, Q polyandry and R polygyny. Option 2. P polyandry, Q polygyny, R monogamy. Option 3. P polygyny, Q polyandry, R monogamy. Option 4. P monogamy, Q polygyny, R polyandry. The right answer is option 3, P polygyny, Q polyandry, R monogamy. Question number 13. For bacterial growth, a single cell elongates in size before it divides into two in a process called binary fission during cell growth. The options are new peptidoglycan synthesis is required along with the hydrolysis of bonds linking the old peptidoglycan chains. Option 2 new pep- Option 2 new peptidoglycan synthesis is required but no hydrolysis of the old peptidoglycan occurs. Option 3 the old peptidoglycan is completely degraded and replaced with the newly synthesized longer polymer. Option 4 newly synthesized peptidoglycan is utilized to deposit a new layer of the peptidoglycan in the cell wall. The right answer is option 1. New peptidoglycan synthesis is required along with the hydrolysis of bonds linking the old peptidoglycan chains. Question number 14. If you inject a mouse with radioactive material of current activity of 256 BQ, what will be the activity after completion of 6 half-lives? The options are 4 BQ, 8 BQ, 16 BQ or 24 BQ. The right answer is option 1, 4 BQ. Question number 15. A researcher samples n individuals randomly from a population of black buck and identifies their sex. The number of females in the samples follows. Options are an exponential distribution, a binomial distribution, a Poisson distribution, and a normal distribution. The right answer is option 2, a binomial distribution. Question number 16. Which one of the following plants has bisphoric 8 nucleate bipolar embryo sac development? The options are Enotheria, Penia, Plumbago, and Allium. The right answer is option 4, Allium. Question number 17. Which one of the following lipid-soluble hormones can interact with a cell surface receptor? The options are progesterone, estradiol, thyroxine, and prostaglandin. The right answer is option 4, prostaglandin. Question number 18. Which one of the following was recently reported to be the first mammal to have become extinct as a result of climate change? The options are Bramble K. melomis, scientific name is Melomis rubicola. Option 2 Gangetic river dolphin, scientific name is Platanista gangetica. Option 3 Malaga giant rat, the scientific name is Hypogiomis antimena. Option 4 Tapanuli orangutan, the scientific name is Pongo tapanuliensis. The right answer is option 1 Bramble K. melomis, scientific name Melomis rubicola. Question number 19. While screening an EMS mutagenized population of a plant, a researcher identified a mutant with reduced gibberellic and sensitivity. Which one of the following proteins is most likely to be defective in this mutant. Options are sucrose non-fermenting related kinase 2 SNRK2, constitutive triple response 1 CTR1, phytochrome interacting factor PIF, coronative insensitive 1 COI1. The right answer is option 3 phytochrome interacting factor PIF. Question number 20. Which one of the following parts of root is involved in perceiving gravity? Options are quiescent center, endodermis, root cap, or elongation zone. The right answer is option 3 root cap. Question number 21. During the exponential phase of growth, if NO, NT and N define the initial population number at time t and the number of generations in time t respectively, then the options are NT equal to NO into 2N, NO equal to NT by 2, NT by NO equal to 2 to the power N, or NO by NT equal to 2 to the power N. The right answer is option 3 NT by NO equal to 2 to the power N. Question number 22. Which one of the following statements is true regarding amino acids? Options are proline has high propensity to form alpha helix in globular proteins. Both isoleucine and threonine can exist as diastereoisomer. Side chain pKa of aspartic acid is more than the side chain pKa of glutamic acid. The dihedral angle of proline is more restricted than the dihedral angle. The right answer is option 2. Both isoleucine and threonine can exist as diastereoisomers. Question number 23. An interaction where the actor and the recipient both suffer a cost is referred to as. The options are altruism, cooperation, mutualism, or spite. The right answer is option 4 spite. Question number 24. Which one of the following statements cannot be included while defining the fermentation process? The options are alcohol is formed from sugar residues, required an electron transport system, utilizes an organic compound as the final electron acceptor, or produces lactic acid in oxygen deprived muscle. The right answer is option 2 required an electron transport system. Question number 25. In what respect does the genome of slow-acting retrovirus differ from those of transducing viruses? Options are they cannot activate nearby cellular proto-oncogenes after integration into the genome of the host cell. Option 2, they lack an oncogene. Option 3, they exclude mouse mammary tumor viruses. Option 4, they have acquired mutations during acquisition of an oncogene. The right answer is option 2, they lack an oncogene.